Kelly Rowland says she doesn't know Excel. Microsoft Excel responds. American singer Kelly Rowland recently appeared on talk show The Real, where she said, "I don't know what Microsoft Excel is, I don't have a clue." Kelly was asked about Excel on the show as her Grammy-winning song Dilemma's video featured the software. Responding to Rowland, Microsoft Excel's Twitter account tweeted, "No matter what you do, we're crazy over you." IIT Madras team only Indian finalist in SpaceX Hyperloop Pod Contest. 30-member team of IIT Madras students, Team Avishkar Hyperloop, has cleared the final design round of SpaceX Hyperloop Pod Competition 2019, becoming one of the top 22 teams selected from across the world. The team is also the only Indian finalist. The students will represent India at the finals at SpaceX Headquarters in Los Angeles in July 2019. TikTok fined $5.7 million in U.S. over child privacy violations. His Federal Trade Commission has fined lip-syncing video app TikTok $5.7 million to settle allegations of making under 13 users' profiles public and collecting their personal information without parental consent. TikTok was allegedly aware of the issue and did not act despite several complaints. Notably, Tamil Nadu has also demanded a ban on TikTok over concerns of cultural degeneration of youngsters.